Hey there, Paul at IPD here, standing in front of IPD's Flash Green V70R, which we recently finished up a manual swap on. You can tune into our YouTube series if you want to learn a little bit more about that, but we were doing a manual swap not just because we wanted the car to be a manual, but we had a little bit of product R&D to do. If you own one of these cars, an S60R or V70R, then you know just how tricky the passenger side axle is to find, which is totally unique to the manual S60R and V70R. It's not the same as the automatic, it's not the same as any other manual P2 Volvo, and this was very expensive from Volvo. Dealer retail was something in the realm of $800 with a core charge on it. But now even that's not possible. Within the last year, Volvo discontinued this axle. So IPD has had our own version of this axle commissioned. We sent one of these off to get precisely measured and engineered. We've made a few upgrades while we're in there. We've got nice TPE boots. We have a tripod joint on the inner side joint, which should have a little bit greater torque capacity and a little more plunge articulation to it. But mostly, we just want to keep these cars on the road, and with this axle totally dead from Volvo, there's really no other sources. If you have a manual R that you want to keep running, or if you are thinking about a swap like this on your own, but can't find an axle anywhere, we hope this little piece will help. We have an axle manufacturer that we've partnered with for many years commission this axle for us. It's an IPD exclusive. You can find this on the website along with more information on the swap. This has already been on our car, it's been driven around. We're very happy with it, and we're sure you will be too.